In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-share calendars for Teams in Google Workspace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Google Workspace website. This is the hub for all of your productivity and collaboration tools from Google. Once you're there, look for and click on the admin console. The admin console is your control center for managing your Google Workspace account. It's where you'll set permissions and decide on the sharing settings for all the tools at your disposal, including Calendar. Next, you should head over to the Google Workspace dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of all your Google Workspace services, so you can configure, customize, and keep your team organized from here. Once you are at the dashboard, look for the Apps section. This is where you'll find all the applications, including the calendar, which we are going to set up for auto sharing. When you click on Apps, you'll see a list of all the applications associated with your Google Workspace account. Click on Google Workspace. Here's a tip. If you haven't already verified your domain, you'll need to do that before making changes that affect sharing settings across your organization. After your domain is verified, proceed to click on Calendar. This takes you to the Calendar Management section, where you can customize general settings, manage resources, and set up sharing permissions. In this part, you can control who in your organization can access different types of calendar events. Now navigate to the Share settings. This is the key section for what we're trying to accomplish today. Share settings allows you to dictate which groups or users have access to view or modify calendars within your organization. Make sure to consider the privacy needs and the workflow of your team when making adjustments. For instance, you might want to allow all team members view access to a team calendar, while giving editing permissions only to specific people, like project managers or team leaders. And that's it. With these steps, you can seamlessly set your team up for automatic calendar sharing, fostering better coordination and boosting productivity across your projects. Remember, keeping your team's calendar accessible ensures everyone is on the same page, and critical meetings or deadlines aren't missed. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your use of Google Workspace and other productivity tools. See you next time.